Drive safely with this tip from Hooydonck. Driving a sports car is pure enjoyment. And you can enjoy a car even more when it's beautifully clean. It is best to use special products and materials for cleaning your car. The last thing you want to do is scratch your paint job. Your glasses also deserve the proper, specialized maintenance. Cleaning your glasses with the right cleaning cloth is not only good for the life of your glasses, but also ensures a clear view. So make sure that not only your car windows are clean, but the lenses in your glasses too. Because in traffic, every detail is critical. Be alert and leave nothing to chance. This safety tip was provided to you by Hooydonck.